I'm John Devine, CEO of United Flexible and President of US Hose Corp. We're a global manufacturer of flexible metal, Teflon, and composite hose products, systems, and assemblies. We have 2 manufacturing locations in the US, one in Houston, Texas, and one in Romeoville, Illinois, which is about 30 minutes south of Chicago. We have 3 sister companies in Europe, one in Wales, one in Rotterdam in Holland, and the other one is in Sweden.
US Hose manufactures 3 types of flexible hose. One is a metallic corrugated braided hose. The second is what we call a PTFE hose or fluoropolymer hose. And then thirdly, our composite hose. The metallic corrugated hose is manufactured in a variety of metals, including stainless steel, Monel, Hastelloy, Inconel, Incoloy, typically used in petrochemical applications, oil and gas, steel manufacturing, and general chemical and industrial applications. Our fluoropolymer hose is more widely used in the food and beverage and pharmaceutical industry, as well as general industrial applications. And our composite hose is used in a lot of petrochemical applications for ship-to-shore transfer hoses, rail car offloading, tank truck use, and general industrial transfers between tanks.
Engineering is basically a service department. The customer would come to us with requests for either information or a specific set of design parameters. They may also invoke national standards or national specifications that need to be met. So my team and I would take those specifications and requirements and then provide a suitable design that would meet what they're looking for. We specialize in industrial markets, but we also have aerospace, military, government, oil and gas, transportation. So some of those markets are really exciting. So many different applications and things to consider, and that makes it very rewarding when we get to solve problems for the customer and the customer is happy. You know, it's good business, but it also makes you feel good that you've accomplished something important.
Quality control is absolutely critical. All of our products are used to transfer fluid or dangerous chemicals in harsh environments, often at high temperatures or high pressures. So the product mustn't leak. It must be able to withstand the pressure of the application in order to keep the people, not just our employees who are testing and handling the product internally, but those that are going to be handling it out in the rough environments that it's designed for. So safety and quality are very, very critical in our applications. We are an ISO 9001 certified company, and we use those procedures in all of our departments and throughout our facility. We also are in the process of becoming an AS 9100 certified company supporting our aerospace markets.